It is so true. It's a 365 days a year solution, whether it's warm, whether it's cold, and from what I hear, it is cold everywhere already. This is an amazing fan that's gonna give you the ability to warm up just the space you're in instead of heating up the whole house. We all know how expensive those electric bills can be. And with two different modes, there's a personal mode so you can really kind of sequester where it's directed, and then you can diffuse it if you wanna really warm up the whole room that you're in. But this is Dyson, and I dare you to compare a price point like this anywhere but here at HSN. We're saving you $170 on this incredible bladeless fan slash heater, because it is both, and that's the thing that I want you to understand. Both the features in one day could be used based on where you live. I know here in Florida, sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's cold. So in one day, you could use the heat. The next morning, you could use the cold, whatever you need. These are the colors I mentioned. We've got the red, most limited. That is a hot looking number over there, isn't it? Here's your blue. This is classic. I have the round version of just the Dyson fan in my guest room. Absolutely love it, but this is both a fan and a heater. Keep that in mind. We also have it in the charcoal, which has been very popular. I love the white. It's very clean and modern and sexy. Speaking of sexy though, the black has got to be the way to go, and it seems to be a number, I think, second best seller of the day today. So I'm gonna make my way over here. I wanted to show you the colors. Gemma Kent is our special guest from Dyson. It's very nice to have you back.
Thank you.
Wow, what a deal we have on this one. It's such a great item.
Absolutely. It is small, but Callie, it is mighty. So it is the 2-in-1, but this is Dyson. So yes, you have our wonderful air multiplication technology that is going to be able to send that uninterrupted stream of air, but you get to pick whether you want it to be cooling or heating. And I know, even though it's only the 9th of November, areas in this country is getting very, very cold. Even here in Florida, we're getting a cold front today, which I'm quite excited about, to be honest. And we start here because we want to show you, traditionally, we see these a lot. Just be careful.
Oh, yes.
I know, Suzanne last night, I was like,
this is
very
danger
hot.
zone.
So I want to just take a reading of the temperature of this. And on the surface, you will see, so right here, this one says 271 degrees, okay? That's why I don't want you to touch it. But all that heat is going up. Last night we noticed that little nutcracker over there. He was looking like he was doing like a little dance.
Seriously?
Because the heat was waving him. So I don't know if you can catch that, but am I standing in the way? I often do.
So this is kind of a radiator type of heater.
Absolutely.
That goes only up.
And I don't, maybe you do. Do you sit on your ceiling at home? Because nobody is sitting on their ceiling. And what we want to show you is that even though this reads 271 degrees, I want to show you this is heat activated paint. So once it feels the heat, it will change color. But you can see on here, nothing is happening. Okay, so all of that heat is going to the ceiling. This blue board represents you. You're not getting any warmer. So now we go over to our Dyson Hot Plus Cool. I'll put it the same distance, and I just want you to see how quickly this changes.
Automatically, almost instantaneously.
I know, that paint is changing to a white color. This represents you in your favorite chair, on your sofa, in your kitchen, me when I'm brushing my teeth and I don't want to be chilly in the morning, in your bed at night. This, seriously, it was very important to Dyson that when you get in from the cold, that you are warmed up quickly.
Look, there's the heat waves you can see coming up off the radiator that's almost making that nutcracker way back there
doing
look like
a little
he's
dance.
moving.
Yeah.
And you know what, this is very drying heat. It's obviously very dangerous, and it's only gonna heat a certain portion of a certain segment of a room. This, because there's lots of different modes that we're gonna show you, it will oscillate and will heat up the whole space, or if you really wanna pinpoint that straight at you because you're freezing and you're just always cold, oh, there it is again. Look at that, it literally looks like a desert heat wave kind of thing.
And it's all going to the ceiling.
Yeah. That's crazy, that's pretty interesting.
And we show this because the projection, so traditionally, obviously, you have the fans that send it to the ceiling. You're not gonna have to sit right in front of here, but we want to show you how it's literally projecting the air towards you. It's projecting, you have 10 speed settings, not just 3, low, medium, and high, you have 10. And then you have to be able to set the thermometer from 33 to 99 degrees. And it's an intelligent thermometer. So, the thermostat, I should say, is that when you set it and the room reaches that temperature, it will stop heating. If the temperature falls, it will reheat it again, so it maintains the temperature that you prefer.
Leave it to Dyson. They always do it right every time. This is a piece. If you find it in retail, and you will, it's $450. Our price is awesome today. And that's why I encourage you, I dare you to compare or shop around, because you will come right back here. There's both free shipping. There's the flex option. In this case, it's less than $47. It's yours. You're gonna use this right out of the gate. Even if you're in a warm weather climate, you're gonna use it to cool the space. If you're in a cold area, and I'd love to hear what your weather is. I hate to talk about it because I know it's really getting chilly everywhere. But think about how much money you can save on just warming the space you're in. How many of us don't avoid that one room in the house?
Absolutely.
Because it's either too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter. So let's talk a little bit about how this works, because there's a lot to cover.
I know. Dyson is known for their innovation, and this animation displays it accurately. So the air gets drawn in, it's about 6 gallons a second. It gets sent to that mixed flow propeller, which sends it up to the airlock. So if you have it on jet focus, it just sends the air from the back. And then if you have it on diffuse mode, it releases it at that 45-degree angle. Dyson believes that if you're going to use something, then it needs to work properly. So we also back this with a 2-year warranty.
Yes, that's right. 2 years, which is nice. I want to share with you, these are the colors. I know over half the quantities that brought in for the day are sold out in the red. So if this is the one you love, grab it while you can. This is your black, there's white. This one's called iron. It's the charcoal gray, pewter gray called iron, very popular. And then we have the classic blue down below. So all choices are here. Talk about the remote control, because I know it just magnetically stays right where it should be.
Absolutely. So it sits right on top of here. It's convenient for you. So it sits at just almost 2 feet tall, and the remote, like you said, is magnetic. So even if it wobbles around, it's not going to fall. So on here, you have everything you need. And I just want to highlight how user-friendly it is. There are no confusing words or buttons. You know, blue means cold and red means heat. So if you want it on the cooling fan mode with our air multiplication technology, you just press that blue button. If you want it on the heating, you hit that red button. And the empty circle lowers the heat. The colored circle will heat it from 33 to 99, up to you. And then on the side right here, you will see these 2 circles, larger and small. That will change the speed setting from 1 to 10. So it's customizable to what you enjoy. Oscillation means it will change side to side at a 70-degree angle. And then we have the sleep setting, 15 minutes, 30, 45 hour, all the way up to 9 hours for when you want it to switch off. Diffuse mode if you want to share the cooling or heating feature, and then jet focus, which is wonderful for this model.
That's my favorite, because you know what, isn't it true, like whether it's the guy is always hot, the gal's always cold, so this is something that everybody's comfortable. Everybody's happy with both of those modes. Remind me what the intelligent thermostat is all about too, because I think that's pretty brilliant.
Absolutely. So on the remote control, and again, you can just change the setting to how you want to have it, 33 to 99, just by pressing this one. So say, Kelly, you have a preference at 75 degrees. So you set this at 75 degrees and the numbers will appear at the bottom. And whilst it's in heating mode, the circle will be red. And it will heat the room up to be 75 degrees. Once it's reached that temperature, it will maintain it. It won't continue to heat it and get hotter and hotter. It will just stop heating. Once it falls below, it will heat it up again to maintain that optimal temperature.
Chad on Facebook, well, thanks for joining us. He's saying, I have 4 of these, would never live without them. One of them is on the bedside table, and I can't imagine sleeping without my own personal temperature control. How true that is. And by the way, if you're just tuning in, I mean, looking at how pretty this is, it actually is a really attractive, almost like a little piece of art, like a sculpture. And that to me matters versus some of the ugly options we started off showing you earlier, and we'll remind you, those plastic ones that get all gunky because they've got blades. We forget to talk about the benefit of having the bladeless fan. No fingers can get caught in there, no little noses or your little puppy's tail. It's completely bladeless. It's the most brilliant thing ever. I have the round fan and I love it, but this is the most modern looking fan and heater combined if you're just tuning in. And by the way, if you're interested in that red, I was just given the update, we have 400 left. 400 left for the day. Red for sure will be the first to sell out. 400, I think half the quantity of the blue is gone already. The most popular is the iron, which is really a pretty new color in my opinion. And then of course we've got the white and the black, but needless to say, this has been a very popular choice. Let's take a look at some of these other other demos, because the power you get here is really impressive too.
Absolutely, and we have to keep saying that. We've made the size it is, just sitting under 2 feet, and the weight is under 6 pounds for convenience to be able to move it to the room that you're in. But I don't want that to mislead you and make you think that it doesn't pack a punch, because it really does.
It does.
So we're gonna bring the lights down in the studio. It's really fun, and I'm going to show you the projection that we have with this. So you can see, and I'm sorry, Callie, please light me at the end of this. Woo! So that is our air multiplication projection technology. It is sending the air towards you. So that means that you can sit in your favorite chair. You don't have to sit right in front of you. And you can select cooling or heating mode, and whichever one you're going to feel the benefit wherever you are in your room.
I'm so glad I decided to sit on this end of the couch. But that is some serious power. I'm impressed.
Absolutely.
You will be too. And that's what's going to be either diffused throughout the room with one mode, or that one jet stream mode just to direct it straight at you. I know Alice was saying earlier that her father, he's been ill, and he's always freezing. He's going through some chemotherapy, and he's always cold. So in his chair, he could be sitting there all nestled and warmed up and cozy, whereas his wife is on the other side, and she's in her own comfort temperature zone. So thank you for your orders on this one. It's $170 savings to get yours today here. This is the black, this is the white. We've got the red, the iron, and the blue all available. And don't forget about that flex pay. Everybody gets free shipping. So it's shipped to you. You've got all the way through the end of January with extended returns for the holiday. And certainly this is the day to get the best price on, I think, one of Dyson's best designs ever. It's our star of the day.
And the thing is because it sits at this height, the other feature that we like is that you can put it on the floor or you can put it on the tabletop. Now, I don't know many heaters that you can do that with. The convenience of placing it where you see fit. So like you said, you could put it on the bedside table. We have it here on the coffee table. You can pop it on the floor, because the way that it oscillates is going to get that coverage. But another feature I want to show you is that it tilts. So you can have it tilted, especially if it's on your bedside, and it's not just one way or the other. You can literally adjust the tilt to a specific tilt degree that you would prefer. You can tilt it backwards, or you can tilt it upwards. So that means you can, if it's on the floor, you can have it directed towards you as you're sitting in your chair. If you're having it on the bedside table, you can have it pointing down towards you, so you get that focus on you. And obviously you have the diffuse mode and the jet focus mode. So if you have it on that jet focus, I call that personal heating or cooling. The diffuse mode is definitely if you want to share it. But with all these features, we put it in this compact size, but don't let that mislead you into thinking that it's not as powerful, because this is Dyson. We've just put all of our power in this very convenient size.
Absolutely, and of course, today only are we doing this price. Tomorrow you're going to be spending, look at the regular price is $450. Here. Today, it's $279. Separate that out over the course of a couple months. Pay one little monthly payment. You'll get your favorite color delivered. If you want to send this off as an early holiday gift to a family or son and daughter-in-law, that's fine too. You are welcome to do so. If you want to take another $20 off our already great price, just apply for the HSN card, and the minute you get approved, you can take $20 off your first purchase. That does apply on our Today Special, but we are really proud to offer Dyson in general. From their cordless vacs to their regular vacs to their, in this case, not just a fan, it's a heater and a fan. I'm telling you, it is cold. I saw somebody earlier on Facebook saying it's already freezing up in Baltimore, I think. Definitely enjoy something that's gonna make your home, your space comfortable. Whether it's the bedroom, like you said, Gemma, right out of the shower. If you know, right out of bed before you jump in the shower and you wanna warm up that bathroom, right?
That's the worst thing, when you're nice and snuggly and you have to get up for work, or you've got plans and you have to get, I'm like, oh, but it's so cozy. This really, I didn't even like brushing my teeth or washing my face, because my feet get cold.
Yeah, your feet, of course. And then you get all tense. Like, who needs to be more tense and stressed out? Once you get cold to the bone, it's just like nothing worse. This is something you can move from room to room, place it wherever you'd like, enjoy it. I don't know. What do you think of some of these options down here? I think they're pretty ugly.
I wouldn't even begin to know how to clean them or use them.
Yeah,
because
this one's disgusting.
I know, we put reality up here. But I was actually chatting yesterday, and I remembered, I'd forgotten about this, but I remember as a child going to look out the window. My mom or grandparents must have been coming back home, and I leant out towards the window and I burnt my belly leaning on a radiator. And I got a scar right across. Because you obviously you feel the heat, but there's no like caution tape around it to say, hey, stay back.
Oh my gosh.
So Dyson, we take safety very, very important. So if this was to topple over, it switches itself off.
Yeah.
If this was to overheat, it switches itself off. This is on heating mode.
That's best.
And I'm putting my hand in through it. We're not encouraging you to touch it when it's in heating mode, but we want to show you how important we find safety.
And I love that there's no blades. Who is it, D on Facebook? Thank you. She's saying the safety feature built in, being bladeless as well, is music to any parent's ears with toddlers and daughters who love to explore the profile. Isn't that true? Without blades. And yes, this is in heat mode right now. I mean, it's fine. I'm not, like we're not asking you to sit and hold it, but I am. I mean, seriously, very, very different. Because this kind of heat, or a lot of the other radiant type heaters, it dries out the air too. This is just moving the air in your room. So it's just better for you.
And the heads up I told you and I told Suzanne, I said, just be careful of this because this is traditionally what we would see, right? You see it in homes. Sometimes they come built in, but the heat rises and it goes to the ceiling. So we wanted to develop a way that you feel the benefit immediately. And actually when we did our testing, we set up an entire test room with traditional heaters and ours, our Dyson Hot Plus Cool, and we put thermometers around the room because not only was it important for us to heat you quickly, but we wanted to have even room heating. So the whole room is heated evenly. You know, you don't have hot spot. You don't have to sit on the ceiling.
Makes sense, doesn't it? Now, if you're just tuning in, here we are. We're into our second hour of the Saturday Blend, and this is the star of the day. We passed 5,000 sold already, and it's really early. California is just waking up. Welcome to a great Today Special. I mean, think about it. In the evening hours, it is so chilly everywhere, so that's when you're gonna want the heat mode. In the daytime hours, maybe it heats up, like here in Florida, it heats up into the 70s. Maybe you want to turn it into the fan mode. It's 2-in-1. That's why we say it's 365 days of use. Look at some of the temperatures already. Oh my gosh. Minneapolis is 19. My poor brother. 19. Chicago is 26.
I was just there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's a heat wave in Seattle at 45. Apparently it's gonna be a really, really cold winter, and I am not one that wants to spend any more on my electric bill or gas bill than I have to, when you can use this as zone heating. I mean, if you're empty nesters, or if you upstairs you really don't use, turn off the heat. Just heat the area you live in.
Actually, my in-laws, we got them a Dyson Hot Plus Cool last year for Christmas. And my father-in-law is a man of few words, and he would not tell me if this was not true. So their thermostat ended up cutting out, and they live in Colorado. And it was in the middle of winter, and their thermostat cut out, and they actually just moved this to the rooms that they were in because they spend time in their den, and they go to their bedroom and maybe the kitchen. And they use this, and it delayed them having to put out a big wad of money in order to fix the thermostat. And he thanked me and my husband.
I bet. I mean, it really does make a big difference. And think about it, you can move it from your house to maybe the RV or to the boat. I know Alice and I have one of these on the boat without the heater mode. It's just a fan. So I'm sorry, it doesn't have the fan, it's just the heater. I love the idea that this is both. So take it with you if you're going on a vacation. Bring it. You can move it from room to room. Look, it's very light and you can see very portable. This is the iron color that everybody's loving today. Number one, most popular. The two most limited colors, though, by far, are the red and the blue in the forefront. We have 300 or so in the red. The blue, actually about the same. At this point, if you're interested in either of those two colors, don't wait till later. I mean, color matters. I love the blue. That's what I have in my guest room. I just think it looks so great.
A pop of color, right?
A little pop of color does wonders. The item is 669-250, and thank you for your comments on Facebook. I know many of you are really appreciating what we're doing here today. Let's talk a little bit more about the technology, because there's a lot of power behind this fan and heater in one.
So to explain it, I use the traditional because we know these, they send out the heat and they get incredibly hot, but I want to show you just how hot. I'm going to point this heat gun. I feel very fancy. So this is reading at 277 degrees. Now this fluctuates as well, so sometimes I get different reading, which is not fun. You want it to be the temperature you want. So that says 277. I don't know if you can see the nutcracker behind me. Ooh. But you can see he's in a heat wave right now.
He is literally
you can see that heat rising.
Yep.
But let me show you
That's
again.
Crazy.
Isn't it crazy? So I'm going to place this board in front, and this is heat activated paint. So it will change color when the paint receives heat. Nothing is happening. This is you. So all that heat is going to the ceiling, and I always make a joke. we're not sitting up there. We're not in Mary Poppins, you know, where they're all laughing their way to the ceilings. We're sitting in our favorite chair.
You want the heat directed right at you.
Towards you. So what Dyson has done is that they have taken that idea of wanting to feel the heat benefit immediately, and they have put projection. So now you can see how the blue board is now changing to white. This represents you sitting in your favorite chair, on the sofa, in bed at night. You're feeling that benefit pretty much immediately. And what that does for you, it not only you can select the heat on the thermostat, the intelligent thermostat, so it will maintain the temperature, but you can sit wherever you want, and you have 1 to 10 speed settings, not just low, medium, and high. Yes, and so it will send the air towards you, and you get to select if you want cooling or heating.
And this is the animation because it's drawing air in.
It is. It's about 6 gallons a second. It gets sent into that mixed flow propeller. It gets sent into the loop, and then depending on which one you're choosing, if you have the heating, the PTC ceramic plates will heat it up. Jet Focus will send it from the rear aperture. The diffuse mode will send it from the front. So you either have personal heating or you can share it.
And it does come with a full 2-year warranty. Keep that in mind. And it's $170 combined savings here at HSN only, and it's only today. Tell us a little bit about the prototypes and the patents and things like that.
Yeah,
because
I know you love that stuff.
It's really impressive.
So it actually, we made over 1,000, I believe it was 1,086 prototypes to get what we wanted. We take it very, very seriously at Dyson. And then we have over 300, I think it's closer to 400 patents and pending patents worldwide. And a little tidbit that I wanted to share is that when they were testing both features out on this, both the cooling and the heating, the engineers with beards used their beards to feel the benefit of both. They thought that they would test out, using their beards, the effect that both of these had. So they did all the scientific testing, and then they had a bit of fun.
There is nobody like James Dyson. I mean, really, he just changed the industry, obviously with the vacuums and then the cordless, but this is a whole different category of perfection. And I love the look. I mean, if you have a fan that you use because you need to blow some air around in the hot days of summer, I'm sure you're like ready to pitch it. Just throw it to the curb because they gather all this dust and grime and grease, and they get disgusting, and I don't even know how to clean them. And that's why I'm saying pitch them to the curb, because if you're using them, you're just pushing all that gunk into the air anyway. There's not a blade here to gather any of that. There's not a blade to hurt you or get, your little fingers caught in. It's a sexy way to really create a comfortable environment in your home. So updating you on colors now. Here we go, guys. Less than 300 left in the red. If this is your choice, get it now. Less than 300 in the red. We've sold over half the quantity for the day in the blue. Far and away, #1 fastest seller right now is that iron color right over there next to Gemma. And then we've got the beautiful white. White would be great in a kitchen. Ooh. And then we've got this awesome black, right? I mean, there's a reason to have maybe a couple of these around the house, right?
It really, what you want, everything is thought of to make your life easier, more efficient, and to fit in with your life. So that's why you have the range of colors. I wanted to give you a little tour just to give you some specifics on our small but mighty machine. Yeah. So yes, it sits at less than 24 inches so that you have the convenience to put it wherever you want. That's less than 2 feet. It's only 5.9 pounds. So you have the convenience to move it wherever you want in your home. The space that it takes up is less than a dinner plate. I would say it's more comparable to a salad plate, but everything that you need to use is sitting right atop of here on a magnetized remote. It's curved for a purpose, so it's convenient, and that you can actually just lift it off. And I'm going to give you a little tour. So yes, we have a team of engineers, over 4,400 worldwide. But they've done all the complicated technical stuff, so it's super user-friendly. Blue means cooling. I know that. That's super simple to do. Red means heating. So you just adjust what temperature you want from 33 to 99 degrees. Intelligent thermostat will maintain that temperature that you select. Then you have the smaller and larger circle to select the speed settings. Not just low, medium, high. You have 10 speed settings from 1 to 10. Then you have a sleep setting. That's lovely if you need to get cozy when you get in the bed. I don't know about you, but when I'm 3 hours in the bed, I get suddenly very, very warm.
Yeah, me too.
So I would need this on for about an hour and have it switch off. So you can do that on here.
So you can set that to turn off at a certain time?
At increments, 15 minutes, 30, 45, an hour, all the way up to 9 hours, whichever you select.
So convenient.
So convenient.
Love that feature.
There's oscillation, so if you want the heat to be spread around the room, you have the jet focus, which I call personal heating or cooling. Then you have the diffuse mode, and that's really to spread it out. You have the 45-degree angle at the front. Then you pop it back. Now, Callie, you mentioned about the cleaning. Okay, so I brought what you need to clean this. It is so simple. There are no crates to unscrew or get like an earbud to clean in between. You literally just wipe it with a dry cloth. It's very, very simple to do, very easy to clean.
And by the way, these are all operational right now, and they're so quiet.
And that is another design feature. It's actually 75% quieter than its predecessors. And I mentioned the cleaning because I'm actually a relative. I've had my house for almost 3 years now. But when we first had the whole house heating on, I smelt this smell, and we were discussing it before, and I didn't know what it was, and it was the dust burning smell.
Oh, yeah.
So James Dyson also knew that. He actually has talked about this, how there's that worrying dust burning smell. So what we've done is, we will not reach these ceramic plates to reach the dust burning temperature, so you will not have that concerning smell.
That is another really good point. And I'm putting this in front of each fan because I wanted you to know that all 5 of these are functioning right now. The fans are on, and yet you can't hear the noise.
And the pinwheel's louder.
This is louder. That's funny. That's funny. And I'm gonna just remind you again, because by the time you see this afternoon, you may not even have the chance to get the red. This will be gone very early in the day. It could sell out in this hour, but it'll definitely sell out by mid-afternoon. The blue will be the next. And I say this because the color is important if you want to really decorate or, you know, coordinate with your own home decor. To me, go with either the black or the iron, because they are easy to blend. And then of course the white is the more modern choice. Whether it's the office, you know, the thing is, you don't have to commit to where you're gonna put it. You can put it in the office right now if it's that's the cold room in the house. You can keep this at the feet. You can put this up on the desk. Like you said, it weighs less than 6 pounds. It stands up about 24 inches in height. It's only 6 inches in width. And then, like you said, an 8-inch dinner plate is how much room it takes up on a shelf or on a countertop or a floor. And then move it to the next room if you need to cool it or you need to heat it. That's why you love the money you're putting into this, because it's not just something you're gonna use for the cold weather. Yes, certainly will help in the cold weather, but once the warm weather comes back, it's gonna be that fan source too. So it's really one of those great choices that makes sense.
A pet peeve for me is when you're chilly and you turn your heating on in your home and you have to wait. Why you have to wait drives me crazy. So they wanted, the engineers, you've seen them talk about it, when they developed this, they wanted you to absolutely feel it when you want it. So you get in, you're chilly, you take your coat off, you turn this on, and I can't even describe how fast that it is that it will heat you up, because obviously you can select it, but if you want that real big power of heat, you can turn it all the way up to 99 degrees if you want. I don't want to wait to feel warm. I want to feel warm when I want to feel warm.
There is nothing worse than being
like
chilled to
home.
the bone. Yeah. And that, obviously, you can wrap up in blankets, but I love the idea. I don't know if you heard this part, the fact that you can really like laser point the heat directly at just you, or if you can diffuse it so you can really spread that heat out around the room.
Alice came in before, she was sitting in a chair and she was like this. And I said, Alice, would you like the heater on? She goes, oh yeah, this is on cooling mode. And I just switched the black one right next to you on so Alice could feel it.
And I came and sat here and I was like, wow, it's warm in here.
Yes. You can change it to how you want. You always have somebody, when we have guests over, specifically Brits, they're not used to the AC, we pull this out so that they can have their own personal heating and we can remain the temperature we want to remain at.
Well, I'm thrilled for all of you, myself included. You guys think about this. I mean, please search it. If you want to, just type in the Dyson. It's AM09. This is that hot plus cool bladeless fan. If you search it, you're gonna find $450 or more. We're doing it at $279. We're doing it with free shipping for you today. We're doing it with a 6th flex. It's literally $46.67. And that's on any major credit card, debit card, PayPal, HSN card holders. All of you are welcome to this. And I know because so many of you join us for their first purchase every single day of every hour of every day, quite frankly. And we reach close to 100 million homes nationwide. Dyson is a name and a brand that everybody's like, oh, Dyson. Yeah, it's really awesome technology. They look great. That matters. I don't want something ugly sitting in my living room giving me a comfort zone. I want something that looks like a piece of art. And that's what this does. There's the white. Next to me over here is the black. We've got this in an iron, like a pewter charcoal gray. And then the two pop colors are the most popular today, and they will be the first to sell out. For sure, the red on the far right of your screen, followed by the blue. Those are your choices, and encourage you, take advantage of our extended holiday return policy. Means you don't have to stress. If you decide against this, you've got all the way through January. Think about how much cold weather is gonna happen between now and then. I mean, it's 19 degrees in the early part of November in Minneapolis right now. It's gonna get worse. And so, it's just gonna get worse.
It is, and you mentioned how you don't want something sitting in your home that you're not proud of. So because you can use this 365 days a year, that's every single day, we want to make sure that you can leave it out. So it becomes part of your home, not something you pull out when you just need. So it's convenient for you to just turn on. So the sleek design, yes, it looks attractive and it's fine to leave out, but there's a reason for everything. That the way that the loop is positioned is similar to what you would get on an airplane wing. So the air can be manipulated in a certain way to feel the power, and that's why I'm standing here. So I want to show you the reason that we have developed everything to look the way that it has. The lights are going to come down. I'm going to light up the fog so you can see the projection, because this is our air multiplication technology at work.
I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah, please like me at the end of this. So I'm showing you the projection, but what that means for you is that you can sit in your favorite chair across the room from the Dyson Hot Plus Cool, and you're not having to sit right on top of it or near it in order to feel the benefit. The only decision you need to make is whether you want it on the heat mode or the cooling mode.
And you know what? I could be sitting here and the Dyson fan could be that far away, but because there's a remote control, I could start it, stop it, change it from cool to hot, sitting all the way across the room, or lying in bed before I get out of my bed in the morning to take my shower before work. This is magic, so you can really control, and I love the fact that it does have that auto shut off if it does tip over.
It does.
It does have an auto timer if you want to turn this on or leave it on, or tell us again about the options there.
Absolutely, so on the remote control here, you have everything that you need in order to adjust it. So obviously you just need to select if you want blue for cooling or red for heating. Super simple to use. Once you're in heating mode, the color on the actual machine will change color as well. So this will become red when you're in heating mode, right at the bottom. This will be red. You can select what temperature you want. So if we picked 72, you will turn this so the number reflects 72 on the machine, and then it will maintain that temperature. It will, when it hits 72, it will stop heating. You'll notice that the ring will turn blue. If it drops below that temperature, it will kick on the heating again, and so we can maintain it to the temperature you choose. And you have a choice between 33 degrees all the way up to 99. Now, if you get in bed, and if you're anything like me, I am very chilly when I first get in bed, and I do that, you know, bed wiggle dance where you're trying to get warm. And so I turn this on, and you can put it on sleep mode. Normally for the first hour, I need that extra coziness, and then I get warm. So you can actually have this turn off when you want to. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, all the way up to 9 hours. The sleep mode choice is up to you. And that's done right here. Now, I get chilly, but my husband tends to get hot. So I actually put it on jet focus mode, and I call that personal heating or cooling, whichever one you want. I use personal heating. Or if you want to share it, you can put it on diffuse mode.
So that personal mode just directs it straight at you.
Jet focus, yes. So the air actually, Callie, this aperture at the back, which is just a fancy word for gap at the back here, is designed in a specific way that the air will come from the back, so that it will focus the either heating or cooling air straight towards you. Now, the air multiplication technology means that you'll get up to 15 times more air brought towards you as well, because of the way that the air is manipulated. It's called a Coanda effect, which is similar to what you find on airplane wings.
See, that's what I'm saying. I mean, with all those, you said over 1,000 prototypes, I mean, hundreds of patents.
It's ridiculous, isn't it? And
it's pretty impressive as what it is.
Yeah, and the engineers that are focused on building and creating this as well. We have a testing facility where we set up thermometers around a room, and they will then make sure that the machine heats the room evenly, and you can use it in the summer for cooling, or even in the winter on those warmer days and you need a bit of extra cool if you're cooking in the kitchen and you get a bit warm.
That's exactly right, because even in the winter it gets warm in a kitchen if you're cooking for the family and you've got the oven and the stove is on and people are in the room. Great point, because in the same day you could use it as a heater in one moment and then as a cooler in the next.
Absolutely. I mean, you'll come up with ways to use it. I know that I've popped one in our guest room because honestly, you can try and judge and anticipate your guest needs, but you don't necessarily know what temperature they like to sleep at. So I put one in the guest room and they can adjust their room to what they want.
Exactly. That's why I have the round blue one in my guest room. It's the warmest room in the house.
Yeah.
And when my guests stay there, I'm like, I'm sorry, this is the warm room, so turn the fan on if you need to.
Yeah.
Inevitably, they all do. I love it, but it's only a fan. This is both. This is a fan and a heater in that tall, cylindrical, I love the shape of this, and it's completely bladeless. If you're just tuning in, I'm telling you, this is the day to do it, because you're gonna want it right now in the coldest days of winter. Turn around the hottest days of summer, it's gonna be a best friend too, helping you save a lot of money at the end of the day. That's what I'm looking for. I am tired, because it's not like you can call the company and say, I don't think I used this much heat this month. They're gonna be like, pay your bill or we're gonna cut you off.
Oh gosh, yes. No, you wanna stay warm. And just to quote Shakespeare, this is small, but it is mighty. So the reason that we've set it at all these configurations is it's convenient for you to move around to whatever room you're in, and we encourage you to do that. Leave that thermostat alone. Why heat an entire house when you spend a lot of your time in maybe a couple of rooms? I do my bedroom, my kitchen, and my den.
I actually
and
close
I just rotate.
the rooms off that, you know, my Tristan's old room, my guest room, my laundry room, my office, I close those doors off, turn off the heat, because it's like I'm not in there. If I do the laundry, I could bring this in there, and if it's cold, I'm just trying to help you save some money this winter, because it hurts. But we have to be comfortable. Sometimes it's the basement that's cold. Or how about this, when you're feeling not well? Like my son called yesterday, he's like, Mom, I don't feel well.
Oh.
And you know, you just want to have something just warm and wrap you up in comfort.
Yeah.
Something like this could be that comfort right next to a bed.
And it's my favorite time of year as well. So you get home and it's getting darker earlier.
Yes.
And you want to put the cozy, snuggle up, watch television or watch a film. It really is convenient. Whatever room you're in, you can just follow this little friend around.
And I tell you, even if it's a whole basement, because most basements aren't heated in the winter, you could warm up that space if you're just gonna have the kids sit down and watch a good movie. In either case, I don't know if you've seen all the colors, but I really want you to know this very well could be your last chance to get any of the 5. Red down to a little more than 200 now. So red close to selling out already, and it's not even noon on this side of the country. If you want the blue, that one too. We have more than half the quantities have been sold since we started the day at midnight. We have the brand new iron top far left on your screen, most popular choice. We have white, we have it in black. They all come with the remote control. They all have a 2-year warranty. And this is, again, Dyson. Dyson does it right every time.
And so technology is getting to the point, like, because you have this team of innovators, technology is getting smaller, but more powerful.
2 quick questions. Thank you guys so much. Janie asking, how do you clean the vents at the bottom, and does the heater require a filter?
No, it does not require a filter. It's interesting, you can just wipe it with a cloth, and sometimes I take my vacuum attachment and I just vacuum around the bottom. It's really simple. Don't use any solvents or cleaning fluids or anything like that. Just take a dry cloth and wipe it. Very, very simple to do. I want to show you this. This is traditional. It's still hot. Oh my gosh.
It is.
Please
dangerous.
be careful. I'm going to take a reading of it here. So we are at, this one says now 268 degrees. So that's reading 268 degrees. That's why I keep telling Callie, please be careful, don't touch it. But if you put your hand in front, it is still cool. Okay, so that means that the heat is rising. I don't know if that nutcracker has got a visual again. Sometimes it's
really
a bit wavy.
It looks like it's like a desert scene.
It is, right? So I'm going to take this heat-activated paint. I'm going to place it in front, and you'll see nothing is happening, and I'm close to it. But this is representing you. All the heat is going to the ceiling. It's similar to when you're at a campfire and you get very close to the fire.
Now watch how quickly this will detect the heat coming off of your Dyson.
With our Dyson Hot Plus Cool, This is just showing you don't have to sit this close. This is just showing you the projection technology that the heat is coming towards you. It's not rising, it's being projected towards you. And this, we want it to happen efficiently and fast so that you can feel the benefit as when you want it.
I mean, that was almost instantaneous detection of heat. If you wanted to turn it from heat to cold, it'll be almost instantaneous. The temperature will completely drop. So use the flex. That's why we offer it. That's hopefully something that helps you put the things into your budget that you need. This is something we all need. With the cold that is still to come, oh, the chill is in the air in so many parts of the country, but then the warmth is also equally uncomfortable, and so moving that air with the fan mode. Love that this is 2-in-1. You don't need 2 different units. You don't need to spend twice the price. It's all designed in one. Gemma, great job on this, and thank you so much for being here today. Our today's special is $669,250. All colors available right now, but that is going to change by the time you see it mid-afternoon. Red will probably not be available. What's your favorite color, Alice?
I actually like the red.
I do too, but I'm